step into the 2014 Toyota Tundra. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, passenger airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, variable speed intermittent wipers, driver airbag, power door locks, backup camera, and heated mirrors. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.